Introducing the Humidimaster X6 Pro. Not just another humidifier, the real game changer in room humidification and aromatherapy for large spaces up to 500 SQFT. Top fill design. Refilling has never been this simple. With its top fill design, you can easily pour water without the tediousness of detaching tanks or the mess that often accompanies other designs. Easy to set up massive 6 liters capacity. Say goodbye to constant refills. With this huge tank, the Humidimaster ensures that you enjoy extended periods of consistent humidification up to 60 hours, remote control, and 360 degrees mist dispersion. Ensure every corner of your room benefits with the 360 degrees mist feature. It ensures even and consistent humidification, so no area is left too dry or too damp. 12 hours timer. Simply choose when humidifier should aromatherapy ready. Elevate your relaxation and wellness by adding your favorite essential oils. It's not just about humidifying your space. It's about transforming it into a haven of serenity. Incredible 60 hours work time. Its long-lasting operation means you can enjoy the benefits over extended periods without frequent check-ins or refills. LED display. Stay informed with the real-time humidity percentage display, enabling you to make timely adjustments for optimal comfort. Ideal for large spaces, designed to cater to expansive areas up to 500 SQFT. It's the go-to choice for open spaces, large rooms, or office settings. Try Humidimaster X6 Pro for 90 days, and if it doesn't work for you, you'll get your money back. We provide 24/7 support and offer free fast shipping. Click buy now and enjoy fresh air this season.